Hello. I need a haircut.
Do you have an appointment?
No, I just walked in.
We are very busy today.
Can I wait right here?
Yes. Take a seat, please.
How long is the wait?
About 20 minutes for you.
That is perfectly fine today.
Can I take your name?
My name is Mark Smith.
Do you want some water?
Yes, a glass of water.
Here is your cold water.
Thank you very much, Tom.
You are very welcome, Mark.
Is your best barber free?
Yes, David will cut it.
Is he a good barber?
He is our best master.
I am glad to hear.
Your chair is ready now.
I will go sit down.
Have a very good haircut.
Thank you for your help.
Hello, Leo. Please sit here.
Thank you. I am ready.
How do we cut today?
Make it short on sides.
Do you want a fade?
Yes, a very clean fade.
What about the top hair?
Keep the top hair long.
Should I use the scissors?
Yes, please use the scissors.
Do you part your hair?
Yes, I part it left.
Let me wet your hair.
The water is very warm.
I will start cutting now.
Please do not rush it.
I always take my time.
I trust your good skills.
Turn your head right, please.
Am I turning it enough?
Yes, that is perfectly fine.
Is the back very short?
Yes, it is very clean.
That is exactly what I want.
You will look very sharp.
Do we trim the beard?
Yes, my beard is long.
How short do you want?
Make it very neat, please.
Should I use the machine?
Yes, use number 2 guard.
Do you want straight lines?
Yes, clean lines look good.
I will apply some oil.
What oil is it today?
It is natural cedar oil.
It smells very good indeed.
Lean your head back, please.
I am leaning back now.
Keep your mouth closed, please.
Okay, I will keep quiet.
I am shaving the neck.
Is the razor very sharp?
Yes, it is a new blade.
It feels very smooth now.
The beard is completely done.
Let me see the mirror.
Here is the small mirror.
The lines are very perfect.
I am happy about it.
How is the length now?
Please cut a bit more.
On the top or sides?
Cut more on the top.
Just 1 inch off top?
Yes, 1 inch is perfect.
Look at the mirror again.
Yes, this length is better.
Do you want hair gel?
No, I prefer natural look.
I will use dry clay.
Does it hold very well?
Yes, it holds all day.
Just use a little bit.
I am applying it now.
It gives a nice texture.
Let me clean your neck.
There is hair on me.
I will brush it off.
The brush is very soft.
Yes, it uses soft powder.
I feel very clean now.
We are completely finished here.
You did a great job.
Thank you for your patience.
I really like my haircut.
The barber is very good.
How much is the total?
It is $20 exactly.
Do you take paper money?
Yes, we only take cash.
Here is a 50 bill.
Let me get your change.
Take your time with it.
Here is
$30 back.
Please keep 5 for tip.
Thank you very much, sir.
He really deserves the tip.
I will give it him.
Do you sell this shampoo?
Yes, we sell the shampoo.
How much is one bottle?
One bottle is $10.
I will buy one today.
Here is your new shampoo.
I have the exact cash.
Thank you for your purchase.
See you next month, Alex.
Have a very good day.
Goodbye and take good care.